Good morning. Say hi, babe. Guys, look.
It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon.
It is, and guess what we're about to make? Pancakes. Y'all, look at these. Cinnamon toast crunch. Complete cinnamon pancake mix. And we're about to make this. Why are you looking at me like that? But guys, yeah, so let me get started. Like, look at this though, for real. Let me get this started, okay? Wow, babe.
I like to poop. Your hair is covering my face every time you do that.
I don't care.
That's fine, bro.
I'm just playing. Stop. Do you? Alright, y'all, so I got the pancake mix. It has it right here on the side, that everything that comes in it. So this right here, probably the cereal topping. This right here is the cinnamon dust. Okay. Then we have our pancake mix. So, y'all, it's the same. It's just cinnamon toast crunch pancake mix, but you make it the same way as any other pancakes. So with that being said, just gonna open it. I don't know how I want to open it, but okay. And we're gonna pour this in the bowl. Hopefully you guys can see because y'all don't mind me either. I am getting over a sickness and I go back to work tomorrow. And yeah, I'm getting better, okay guys? But look, this is what it looks like. We added our water. Now we just gotta mix it. Mix it, 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 mix it. This is gonna be so good. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good. I'm gonna make sure I'm doing this right because what's in this? Hold on. See, you do. Okay. Stir the pancake mix with water or milk. Blah, blah, blah. Sprinkle cinnamon dust over batter and bowl. Gently stir into batter about 6 to 8 times. Do not mix in completely. So guys, I add cinnamon dust inside this batter. Once I'm done mixing it, I mix this first.
Why you got the whole dishwasher open?
Cause I had to get dishes out of it. So I gotta mix this first, and then I'm gonna put this cinnamon dust in there. And yeah, and then we're ready to cook it.
Your face isn't even in it, cuz.
I know, it's showing me mixing this. You're gonna have to unscrew the thing a little bit, cause it's tight.
I don't wanna be alone.
Here. Can I see you? Say hi.
Say hi.
Dang, babe, you tall. I could raise this up too.
I mean,
They come in here and, you know, have to reach his needs, guys. Look at this, y'all. Gotta mix it. Mix it, 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 mix it.
people put six. Why you over here being loud?
Sorry.
Disrespect. No more second chances. You can take my soul for ransom. I gotta wash my hair.
Man, this is enough, or y'all gonna want some?
You need to make enough.
I don't want to make the whole thing.
Huh?
Whole box.
I don't know who's getting just 3 pancakes, but if you make just 3 pancakes, I guess you just have to deal with it.
3 pancakes.
Is this the cereal?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna make the whole box. Yeah, I think so.
Look at her.
It's okay. Because, like, I don't see saving this. Like, I don't see saving this or the cereal. So let me just make the whole box. I'm gonna pour all this in here. Okay. Y'all might be like, does she even know what she's doing? She don't
She's
even
just
look.
pouring stuff in a bowl.
She don't even look like she know. It's the same way as if you're making pancakes, y'all. Just add water and milk and mix that. Mix it. And then make your pancakes.
Mix it.
The only thing that's different about this is their cinnamon toast crunch pancakes. Like, there's nothing. There's nothing really popular. Where the char in it? Oh shoot. Make a mess. Yeah, some more water.
I bought a sick whip today. Hey, I just bought this sick whip today, y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all finna see it.
They're probably like, you got cinnamon toast crunch up there. No, those are churros, guys, and I just had to try those as well. Cinnamon toast crunch churro cereal.
No,
Bust.
mama, boy.
Bust it.
So you was recording while I was taking a poop.
I was. Because,
Just black.
yeah. Happy New Year, guys, because this is our first video posted since New Year's.
One day we'll get it together.
We will get it together, y'all.
Life is
But
hard, man.
wait till the month of February because we're gonna have some things for you guys. So I promise, I'm not gonna let y'all down. For real, month of February. Y'all wait on it. If you're following us on our social medias, you saw that I posted on my Snapchat. Can't wait till February. Cause y'all, I got something for y'all.
She was trying to shake something.
Don't show my leggings because I have holes in them.
You don't want to put them on. Oh, look, we can.
Y'all, this looks yummy, y'all. Baby, I'm gonna need you to take the dishes out of the dishwasher that are clean and put them up and put the dishes that are in the sink in the dishwasher for me.
You serious?
You know, I really don't understand why the fuck everywhere I go, I gotta do the goddamn dishes.
I cook, you do the dishes. That's different.
That's so bullshit. I come from my mama's house how to do the damn dishes.
Well,
What the fuck?
I
don't
cook-
know no damn dishes.
I cook, it's putting the dishes in the dishwasher. I'm not acting like you're washing them by your hands.
I had to do that.
Okay, and you got to do what you got to do. And I cook, so you put the dishes up.
You didn't have to make these right now.
You what?
You didn't have to make these right now.
Okay, but I am because if I don't do it now, I'm not doing it later.
Well, that's a you problem, don't you think?
Well, they need to.
Is it?
I was trying to show our subscribers, and he's tripping, y'all. Like, thank you, baby. I'll move this out your way.
Bro. You didn't even fucking clean.
Let's have a line, some of the mark. Look at this, y'all. It's almost done. So like I said, y'all, I'm getting a little better. I was way worse than I am now. So
It's the
yeah.
best.
I don't have corona. So that's good. I'm gonna add some more water. Alright, so y'all, I'm gonna be back to y'all when I'm done mixing this and I'm about to add the cinnadust. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Here's the cinnadust. And it's woo! Baby, smell this. A little bit.
Smells like.
Alright, here we go, y'all. Y'all wanna see this happen? Cinnadust. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Y'all, These will turn out good. We don't need all this whole pack of cinnamon, do we?
Did they put the whole thing in there, Sam?
It's the whole thing. It's the whole thing.
Okay, well then the whole thing is the whole thing. It's 16 pancakes right there, right? That's what they said. So think about it. Cinnamon toast crunch.
That's
Or if you don't want to put that much in there, don't put that much in there, bro.
That's a lot of cinnamon.
Watch when it cooks together, cooks all together, and then it don't taste like shit.
That's a lot of cinnamon. That's all I gotta say. You know what? You know what? I know y'all can't see, so hold on. I'll let y'all see.
So where does this go?
That's water. That's not grease. I already pulled the grease out. Yeah, pour it down that one. Look at this, y'all. Y'all can't. I'm such a bad camera person. Like, such a bad camera person. Alright, y'all. Here. Pouring all this in here. Go. And then it says stir about 5-6 times. 6-8 times, I mean. 1.
Love our playing up a long time ago.
2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Look at that. Look at that. Get it in there. Get it in there. They just said not to mix it completely, but I'm mixing this until it's mixed. Like
you both of these rags at once.
I had to at first because you remember I couldn't get the sink to stop up, so I had to use the towel and that black thing to stop it up. Both of them are so good. It don't matter which one to use. Woo! Look at this, baby.
What?
Looks nice. It looks yummy. Y'all know it looks good right now, but y'all cannot eat raw pancake mix or batter, whatever you want to call it. Cannot eat this. It's not going to be healthy. Hey, I think these are ready to cook. Alright.
It ain't cold either.
Alright, y'all. Let me wash my hands. And then we're gonna get to cooking. Here's grease. I don't need butter.
Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
So this is what we making now. What's what?
Something outside.
Did you say Amazon? Birkin, my baby. Birkin, love
I
baby.
can't do this.
I wish we could play music, man.
We could do a
Oh, I think I just.
we could do a 2022 hit playlist if you want.
Why is it?
What? You all up
doing
on me.
that? Getting it everything together. Look at her hair, y'all.
I don't feel good. I feel sick. So I took a shower. I don't feel good at all.
You don't feel good? No one feels good anymore.
I feel sick.
You gonna puke? She gonna puke, and then she gonna have to just be out with it.
Here's one pancake.
There's one Band-Aid. That little ass shit.
You're a kid. You're my seed. Baby for baby.
She's funny, bro.
Give me time. Here.
What?
There. That's a pancake.
Yeah, just for the one thing. How do you really, how many pancakes do you plan on making?
16.
Just one by one like this?
Yeah.
That doesn't work, bro.
I already put this right in the middle, so I can't go back.
That Piggy Devour.
Okay. There goes one.
There's one, fam. Turn the light on. There's one, fam. Just to let y'all know again.
Yummy, yummy. Is it even cooking? Forever. You think I should add grease or keep doing butter? I like cooking my pancakes with butter.
Do whatever works, fam.
It's gotta be up. You can sit on toaster. Oh my goodness.
See how it's blurry though?
Yeah, I'll focus. I don't know why it's doing that.
That's how tall I am. I got a duck.
I don't know why it's not focusing. Y'all, let me put y'all
They know about this freaking.
don't play.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Are you listening to music?
No.
Don't lie. See, the butter's not lie, so I'm gonna have to use grease. It's a big pancake.
You alright? That's what I just said. You just over here scooping.
Do you wanna make one?
She just scooping.
Oh my gosh. This got to cook for a minute. But we need a thing, majigger. You know the one that your mom got? You just put it in there and like a waffle maker.
A waffle maker?
Yeah, we could have made these waffles. Fuck pancakes. Hey, y'all, I love IHOP.
Ongoing debate. Waffles or pancakes?
Waffles. Nah, pancakes. Pancakes. But IHOP. I love IHOP.
IHOP is cool.
Do y'all go to Waffle House and get waffles or pancakes?
Do y'all even eat for real? I don't even think y'all really like food.
Wait, let me ask you a question. Do y'all go to Waffle House and get waffles or pancakes?
There's the question. Do y'all do that?
I'm happy. I'm gonna say I never had Waffle House before.
No one told me after Freaky died it's gonna get worse. But when I do it, I hate like how I gotta angle this, cause it's like legit punching me in the face like this. But then you see straight up my nose if I do this.
Oh my god, this looks so yummy.
I have to cut my hair, man.
This looks so yummy. Look at the bottom.
Look at this, bro. Look what she about to mess up, bro.
I'm
Let's see what she do. Let's see what she do. Can you flip?
Can you flip? Can you flip? Yes, I can flip.
I don't think you can do it, bro.
I was born to be a flipper.
Skipper!
I flip more than pancakes anyway, so.
What the fuck does that mean?
Y'all know what I mean.
You gotta flip it over, fam.
I am!
Look at you.
Yo!
Oh!
Look at this! Yo! This looks so good! You smell that?
Yeah. How high do you have this on?
7, 6, 5. 7. Oh shit.
Damn, Nip. It's amazing, homie.
This feels yummy. Did you put one of those soap things in there?
It's not full.
Oh my goodness. I hate this spatula. I want the metal one, but it's in the dishwasher. Because it's got to cook.
You're not really that strong in scooping, so you wouldn't know. You're not a scooper. You not skipper the flipper.
I'm a skipper, flipper, skipper, scooper. Okay? Don't play me.
Oh.
Yeah. If you didn't know, now you know.
Oh. She thinks she got everything, but she thinks she got everything for real.
Oh. This is done. I can smell it. It looks so yummy, y'all. It smells like cinnamon rolls. A popo?
12.
So let it outside.
They ain't outside.
Sounds like it. Oh, babe, pancake done. Water down.
Pancakes are done. I gotta tell her. I gotta stop playing. You not good at.
I'm making more, but can they see? Hold on, there's not even the final thing. You gotta try it.
This is not just my plate, by the way. That's where the pancakes go when the plate's done.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I want you to go ahead and try it.
I mean, I'll try it.
Let's get you a plate.
Will we be back with this foodie? So pretty much that was a fail.
Alright, y'all. So
That was a fail.
epic.
Where's all the light?
Next time we do it, we're gonna try to do it with milk. But guys, we love you guys, and we finally got a video done. Oh my god! Our next video.
Is this about putting it up?
Yeah.
Not about recording.
I'm about to take this off the camera right now and start editing. So
Gotta be on our grind.
Period. Period. 2022. All 2022. Don't play.
Look how short she is.
Very short, y'all.
He was.
Alright, y'all. We love you guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And follow us on all of our social medias. Okay? Y'all want to look at these one more time?
Look at these, bro. This was the fail. Well, I don't even know really if it's a fail or
yeah,
not.
they might. I don't know.
You got my stomach over here fucked.
Just do it with milk, y'all. Don't do it with water. Milk.
There's some
It
syrup
looks
on
like $2 something at Walmart. Alright, y'all. We love you.
But alright, G. Y'all be safe in them streets, man. Y'all be safe in them streets. I done told you. I done told you be safe in them streets, cause y'all gotta be safe in these streets. They wanna take all of us down, man. Y'all be safe in them streets, bro. For real. I'll phone them.
Bye.